If you're experiencing a stuck update in Minecraft, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and speed up the process. Follow these steps to get your game updated quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A slow or intermittent connection can cause updates to hang. You can test your connection by trying to load a website or streaming a video. Step 2. Restart the launcher. Close the Minecraft launcher completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to stall. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the Minecraft launcher settings and find the option to clear the cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Step 4. Disable antivirus/firewall. Sometimes antivirus software or firewalls can interfere with the update process. Temporarily disable these programs and try updating Minecraft again. Remember to re-enable them after the update is complete. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If all else fails, uninstall Minecraft completely and then reinstall it. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can resolve any issues related to corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the update process for Minecraft. If problems persist, consider checking online forums for additional troubleshooting tips.